twirl. Turn around.
So weird because I don't have makeup on.
You look so snazzy. Amazon Prime, baby.
The booty popper.
And now we're ready.
No, we're not.
Scariest day of the year.
Is that Halloween?
No, Santacon. Scariest day of the year.
Okay.
What am I wearing? I'm wearing a more socially acceptable outfit this year. I have a headband. I have like a Santa headband, but the shirt says Santa baby all over it. Red skirt, boots. I'm just like very comfortable, and we go.
I am too.
We need to get a picture. So everyone, today is Santacon day. My apartment's a disaster because we actually have a friend that's gonna stay with us here tonight. So basically we are going to a bunch of little pre-games and then going to bar hop. It's like decently early right now. Getting a good head start on the day because Santacon starts early. It's this thing in New York where everyone just dresses as Santa or like various Santa-like things and drinks. And so it's gonna be fun. I'm kind of like, I don't know if I'm over Santacon, I'm a little over it, but we're still gonna have fun. I feel like it's a lot. People in New York also hate Santacon. Like they like leave the city on this weekend to get away from it. But yeah, so it's gonna be fun. I'm rallying for my sister, that's true. She's never been, so we're gonna have a fun day. And I'm gonna maybe try to bring you along, but if not, this is all I got.
Goldie, don't shoot it at us.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Everyone looks so cute in different ways.
Sorry, I ruined the music.
In different ways.
Oh.
What does that mean?
Emily.
Ho, ho,
Ho,
ho.
ho, ho.
This is part of Vlogmas.
This is part of Vlogmas. Julia's outfit is very,
Julia's like-
Julia's the Grinch
Julia
stole
looks like-
Christmas.
I think my hat's a children's size.
It's a little tight on my head.
Shay made us quite the spread. We have bagels. We have.
Whoever's bagel that is has been in the toaster.
It's mine, Julia. If this was yours, you would let it in there for years.
I'm drinking a coffee with Bailey's. Yeah. Guys, it's cold. Oh my god. Okay, so what is happening today? I'm heading I'm heading uptown to a doctor's appointment. Essentially, I've had this insecurity for a long time. One of my earring holes is stretched out. This one right here. I distinctly remember last New Year's Eve pulling my one earring that I had these like huge earrings in. Pulled it a little bit too hard. It tore, so I need to get it sewn. They're gonna like rip through it, I think. So graphic, sorry about that. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. It's also freezing outside. It's cold enough that if it rained right now, it would be snow. This is a crazy, crazy week because I have a few video shoots this week for clients. So yeah. I finally brought out my parka. Had my parents bring it from home. You guys might remember this parka from last year, but it's like the super puffer from Aritzia, I'm pretty sure. And I'm sure they still have it. It's nice because I can like still walk, but it really blocks like all of the wind and I'm not cold. My headband is from Amazon, actually. I'm just having a bad hair day, so here we go. So I got the procedure done. You guys can see there's a little band-aid there now, and my ear is like fully numb. After Christmas, I'm gonna go back, get the stitches out. He said it's gonna be like I have like virgin ears, like freshly pierced ears on this side. It was kind of expensive, but it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and it's been a shame not to wear earrings. Hello everyone, so I'm back from my procedure. Basically, it is done. As you guys can see, my ear's still numb. I ripped through the hole on this ear, so this ear is fine. This ear has been stretched for almost a year now. It was literally like one bad earring away from like ripping completely through, like just so close to the edge. Not to mention, like, when I would wear them, they would be like uneven, they would hurt because there wasn't enough like, I guess, skin, flesh there to hold up the earring. I don't know. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I used to wear like big earrings, like loved my statement earrings. I have so many expensive statement earrings that I've bought over the years that I can't wear. So I needed to get it done. I've been doing some research over the past few months about it. There's other things you can do, like other alternatives. There's things you can buy on Amazon. You can put like on the back and it's like a sticker almost, and it like kind of, it holds the earring up. And then you can also do filler. You can get filler injected in there. I got it permanently fixed because I got it quite literally, they ripped through, sewed it up. I'm getting my stitches out on the 30th, so when I get back from Christmas break. And then come March, January, February, March, yeah, 3 months exactly from today, I can get my ears re-pierced, or my ear re-pierced, because this one's fine, so this one's the problem child. So I'm gonna go get my ear re-pierced in 3 months. He said it's gonna look good as new, like I had never pierced my ear before, or like there's a little bit of a scar, but he's like, it's gonna fade, it's like not obvious. There are other ways you can, you know, alleviate the problem, but for me, I just wanted it like done, because my aunt had the same issue, but in both of her ears, because her kids used to pull on her earrings when like she'd hold her babies, they'd like pull the earrings. I just saw her yesterday, so it was good talking to her about it, and she was like, yeah, I've like never looked back. It's like a one and done procedure. You give it a few months. I'm happy with my decision to get it done. It was really expensive, so of course, like that's something to consider if you don't want to spend a lot of money on getting it done. There are other alternatives, like I said, the sticker on Amazon, like the backings. I think they're backings. I actually haven't looked into them, but I put it on my story, like, does anyone in New York have a recommendation? A few people actually recommended the same guy, and so I ended up going there for a consult today, and he was like, well, I can just do it now if you're interested, and you know, you don't have to do a second consult fee, which I was already spending a lot of money on this, so I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll just, you know, do it now. It is done. It cost a lot. It was $350 for the consultation. The most annoying part is it isn't on insurance because it's cosmetic. It's like, you don't need this to survive. So yeah, $350 consult fee, and then it was 400 something, 400 to 800 total basically. My next appointment, when they take out the stitches, like all of it inclusive, $800, which, oh my gosh, I saw it as a good investment on my body. It's not like I'm getting, I mean, no offense, Botox is great. Like I'm not doing that. I just need to wear earrings again, basically. Do what you want with your body, I think. I have these like beautiful pearl earrings from a bunch of different designers, like heavy, like beaded stuff that I haven't been able to wear, and it's just so tragic. So anyway, I'm done justifying myself and my expense, but it's kind of nice though that it was only one ear, because I feel like it would have been more, obviously double maybe for the other ear too, I don't know. But anyway, I'm really happy with the procedure. Doctor LaBruna is who I saw. He's in the Upper East Side. It's so funny because he was asking me how I heard of him. I was like starting to say like a friend told me about it, because I'm always like, I don't know, I'm funny sometimes about saying I'm an influencer. I hate calling myself an influencer. I most of the time don't. Like, he asked what I did for a living first, and I was like, I'm a graphic designer. I really try to stay away from saying I'm an influencer. I don't know why. Like, it's nothing to be ashamed of, but I just feel like it just, people have so many preconceived notions about it, and I just like to, you know, come across in a certain way. I don't know. So anyway, I basically caved, and I was like, no, I'm just kidding. A friend didn't tell me, like, a follower of mine. And he's like, a follower? And I'm like, yeah, like I put on my Instagram story. He's like, your Instagram, like I had to explain to him like what a story, what like a DM was. But it was a nice like distraction, because it took about 20 minutes for him to do it. I had this like paper like over like a shield almost, so I couldn't see what was happening. Like I said, it's numb, so he basically just ripped through, sewed it up. 20 minutes later, I was out the door. It took longer to get there than the procedure took. So that's how my Monday's going. Hope you guys are doing great. And I guess you're seeing this on Tuesday, so that's lovely. Happy Tuesday. Okay, that's all. That's all I need to say. Goodbye.